welcome to my Meghalaya State Rural Livelihood Society lani ka MSRLS mentau benai me arajar pui diki keteng jadi niki post apply kani ka MSRLS kilong kumni project manager capacity building, project manager knowledge management and communication, but ke block functional specialist financial inclusion. Last date lani ka tarik bakado ban submit iki applications kadai hau khatsan tarik benai Jun arajar apoi ki details jang kini ki post kum ki salary ai la ai hang ni menta ya ka project manager capacity building ka balai ko post ka salary lani ka tulap kadai life arajar si benai bat ka jaka pami ni ka post kadai ka state mission management unit kebadan hasilong ka age limit pada lani ka kerta jang kiba apply gini ka post idai within lani hapo kala pusan senam bat kandan san senam relaxation yaki ST lani SC lani schedule tribe lani ki schedule caste ya gani ka post project manager knowledge management bat communication pat kebalat ka post kaniru patulap kalau ngumjuhi gidai laipu arajar si benai bat ka jaka balai kini post kadai ka state mission management unit kebadan nasional kaniru ke age limit lani kerta ya gitu giban apply kini post dai apo life science nam bat kaniru kandan science nam relaxation yaki schedule tribe lani ki schedule caste bat kaduru ya gani ka post block functional specialist financial inclusion kabalai adu khatsan lagi post katulap jang ni pat kadai arpo hajar sibnai bat ka jaka balak kini post kadai ka block mission management unit ka age limit lani ka kerta begitu man apply kini kadai hapo life host nam bat kandan sans nam relaxation yaki schedule tribe lani ki schedule caste ti mentapat ngin pai yaki educational qualifications papidan kam shabu pin apply kini post ya ka project manager capacity building piaban pendap ya ka PG lani postgraduate lani postgraduate diploma lani degree haka rural development lani social work lani agriculture lani science nakono ka university lani institution ke bapa kita buat apply ke dengan post tu ki habandan minimum sansnam experience haka rural development bat ka poverty alleviation programs bat pila day ban try haki SHGs lani ki self help groups lani community organization lani ki cooperatives kin ai preference bhai gitu ki badan experience haka training ki educational qualifications jangan ke post ba arpat ka project manager knowledge management and communication kaniru ka balat kawai ke post pihak berpendap ya ka PG degree lani ka postgraduate degree lani postgraduate diploma haka mass media lani ka English nakano ke university lani ka institution ke papau itu ki ba apply kaniru ki habandan license experience haka journalism lani documentation bat ka research pidairu banang ban dan kami ki kamera por bareng video ai bat pihak nang ban le ki video editing bat bantrai bat ki photoshop bat ki video editing software pakai internet kin ai preference bhai gitu ki ba dan experience ban le ki documentations haki rural area lani haka population mentapan ingin pai ya ka educational qualifications yang gani ka post bakado kabadai ka block functional specialist financial inclusion kabalai khasan lagi post kaniru bihak ban pendap ya ka PG degree lani ka postgraduate degree lani postgraduate diploma haka rural development lani social works lani business management haka finance lani commerce lani science gitu ki ba apply gani ka post ki haban dan arsnam minimum experience haka rural development bat ka poverty alleviation programs gitu ki ba kwa ban apply kini ru ki haban dap bantrai haki non banking financial company lani ki NBFC lani ada bandap try haki microfinance institutions lani ki MFI mentapat ingin pai kini ki kot kisla ki ba pidon kam ban upload lang bat ka application form pidan kam ka passport size photograph jong pi ka signature but pidan kam ru ki copies jong kini ki baharum but haban self attest kini ya ka date of birth, address proof, ya ka educational qualification certificate, ki caste lani tribe certificate, disability certificate ladadan, ka experience certificate ru ladadan, but ya ka permanent resident certificate lani ka PRC. Pito ki ba kwa ban apply lani ki badan jimut ban apply gini ki post ba apply dak ni ka MSRLS pi haban klik naka link ke badan hakan ke website www.msrls.nic.in but ke link kadan hapo batho quick links but haban submit yaki online applications jong pi nado arphonyo tarik banai me arajar phoi hado khasan tarik banai june arajar arphoi